Hey YouTube, Slide Up 503. Got another box to unbox. This one comes from an Instagrammer, Macho the Collector. I watched another YouTuber that I love, DJ Links, open up one of his big boy, I think it was a $500 mystery box, and he got some killer stuff in there, so I figured I'd try one of his baby boxes. His baby boxes. Before we open that, I want to do a quick shout out for the video. It's going to be for a guy called My Comic Finds. Another guy that opens mystery boxes. He does Box Heroes, Walmart, just LCS pickups. Check him out, sub him up. If you guys like comic books and people talking comics, I'm sure you'll like his channel as well. My Comic Finds. I'll leave a link to his YouTube page in the description below. Also, I'll link to Macho the Collector's Instagram page if you guys want to check out some of his boxes. I'm sure he'll be doing more. So this box was $50 shipped. I don't remember exactly how many there were, but there were sorry Adrian APM, if you're watching this and I just cut toward myself, I did it again. Always cut away from yourself, people. Don't do as I do. Anyway, I don't remember how many of these boxes there were. But I actually have another one on the way. So I ordered two of them. So this is our first one. I think actually the second one I'm going to go ahead and open up with Jimmy from Small Town Collectibles. We're going to do a box battle with that one. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got some packing material here. Alright. We got box number 11. Let's see what we get in box number 11. Oh, we got some comics. Good job packaging. Alright, so I'm not sure how, I always end up opening them backwards, so I would normally open this one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one right here first. We'll go opposite of what I would normally do. First book. What do we get? Supersized Annual X-Men number 12. Nice. Guest starring the X-Babies. Sweet cover there. Love these older X-Men stories. The Evolutionary War. Alright. Killer first book. Like the X-Men. Next book. Oh, we got another X-Men. X-Men number 10. Because You Demanded It. The Return of Longshot. Sweet. I remember this cover actually. This came out when I was in high school. Little Jim Lee cover. Nice. Alright, next book. Nice. X Factor number 39. Mr. Sinister on the front there. And Beast and Wolverine and Iceman and Cyclops and Storm, all of them there on the front. Pretty cool book. Next book. And if I'm missing any keys, guys, I'm not by any means a professional. I just love comics. I am no very Gary. I cannot tell you what all these... Oh, sweet. Spider-Man, number 18. Side by side with the Ghost Rider. Revenge of the Sinister Six, Part 1. This is another book I remember from my childhood. 91. Cool cover there. Ghost Rider and Spider-Man. Next book. All right, The Web of Spider-Man, number 41. Spidey unmasked as he's caught in the clutches of the Cult of Love. Doesn't look like they're showing him very much love. Looks like they're trying to burn him alive, is what they look like they're trying to do. Sweet book. Little Spider-Man goodness. Who doesn't like Spider-Man? Next book. Nice. The Trial of Peter Parker, Part 3 of 4. Spider-Man number 60. The Face of Cain. Another cool cover there. Spider-Man book. Next book. Sweet, another Spider-Man. This is definitely another one that I have. The Revenge of the Sinister Six, Part 5. This is a great series. The Hulk on there, Ghost Rider, fighting Doc Ock. Deathlock, Sleepwalker, killer book. Now I'm probably going to need to get this little series run now so I can read them again. And next book. Oh, sweet. The Superior Spider-Man, number 16. That is pretty cool. Crazy cover there. And again, if I'm missing something, let me know in the comments below. I'm actually planning on going and getting the editing, Adobe Premiere Pro. So I'm going to try and tamper with some editing here eventually. I don't know how successful I'll be at it, but I'm going to give it a whirl. So, actual editing coming soon to Slotted Up 503. Next book. What do we got? Oh, sweet. Civil War number 2, issue number 1. Funko Pop edition, it looks like. That is killer. Is Macho spying on me? Does he know that I've been started collecting Funko Pops? So he threw this Funko comic in there. That's a cool book right there. Pretty sweet. All right, the last book. Oh, nice. This is GameStop exclusive variant of Spider-Gwen number 1. Very, very cool. This is, I'm sure this is probably a good nice little chunk of the box and value right here. Pretty sweet. Spider-Gwen's hot. It's a big book right now. Everyone likes it. My wife just got her a Spider-Gwen sweater. Actually looks just like the little outfit that she's got on. Alright, guys. We got Spider-Gwen number 1. We got Civil War number 1. We got the Superior Spider-Man number 16. We got Spider-Man number 22. We got Spider-Man number 60. We got the Web of Spider-Man number 41. Spider-Man number 18. X-Factor number 39. X-Men number 10. And Supersize Annual X-Men number 12. And again, that was Macho the Collector. It was a $50 box shipped. So I thought it was pretty damn good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Go follow him. Check him out on Instagram. Also go subscribe up the shout out of the video. Give you a little reminder who that was. My Comic Finds. I'll leave a link to his YouTube page below as well. And until next time, Comic Book World, slot it up.